Welcome all, this is Website Analyzer. In world, most of the people using this Pixel website for making their videos and project blog. Reason, this website is giving full authority to use their content, means photos and videos, clips freely. There is no copyright strike. If you don't know about Pixel website, means must watch this video until the end. We are going to analyze this website, all features and menus one by one briefly. Initially, we will go to Explore section and click Discover Photos. In Discover section, we can see Popular Collection. In Popular Collection section, we can see Back to the School Month, National Bee Awareness Day, National Picnic Month. Next, we can see here one recommended for you option. In that section, we can see album background, wallpapers, beautiful backgrounds. Next section, we can see photographic topics, nature photography, food photography, people photography. Next section, we can see background and cover photos. In this Discover section, we can see all types of photos, means which category and which mood type you want. We will get in this Pixel website freely. There is no copyright strike. We can use these all photos for our project or blogs. There is no copyright strike. That is the one of the special in this Pixel website. Next option is videos. In video section, initially we see the photos section, means which photo we want. We can click and use that photos for our project and blogs. Like that, in video section also, which category type of video you want. Example, just I type here tiger. I click tiger. I can see all tiger related clips in this section. I can free to use these all tiger clips for my project or any videos at any place. There is no copyright strike. In this section, we can see photos and videos. Just I click photos, I can see all tiger related photos. Same way, if I click videos, I can see all tiger related videos in this section. Same way, what categories type of pic you want, you can search in search bar. You will get it. Next section is leaderboard. In this section, we can see most viewed photos in last 30 days. And in this section, we can see which photographer took that all photos also. This section is very helpful for us. Finally, we can see in challenges section. This challenges section, we can upload our photos and video to win the prizes. The last important one section is there, that is license. This license section is giving the authority to use their footages freely for our project or videos. There is no copyright strike. We can see here what is allowed. All photos and videos on Pixel are free to use. Attribution is not required. Giving credit to the photographer or Pixel is not necessary but always appreciated. You can modify photos and videos from Pixel, be creative and edit them as you like. So, this website is giving full authority to use their footages and clips for our projects. Really, this Pixel website is very helpful for us because they are giving their footages and photos for us freely. Okay friends, tomorrow we will see another one website review. If you like this video, means like and subscribe and comment. Thank you.